Right guys, redant omelet. The ant eggs that we got, very expensive, another delicacy of Thailand, much sought after by the people in the north. Cost about 400 baht a kilo. So let's give it a try, see what it's like. Actually, it's very good. The ant eggs sort of pop in your mouth, but it's very, very good. Very tasty. Very nice. It's okay. Very nice. There's a little egg there, look. Has an unusual taste. It's not sour, it's not sweet. It's very pleasant. It's okay. I like it very much. There we have redant omelette. If you like what we're doing guys and you want to see real Thai food cooked at home in the villages, like and subscribe. See you next time.